10 years ago, we started teaching Hebrew online. Hebrew for Beginners was our very first course. And now, it is the greatest online Hebrew course out there. But don't listen to us. Listen to our students. Now we present to you the new and improved course. All the lectures are new and were filmed in high quality and high definition sound. New lectures were added with new downloadable materials and more ways to practice. We want to thank our dear students. We couldn't have done this without you. Keep learning. And remember, we're always here for any help you might need. Good luck, and thank you for learning Hebrew.